Both MFA and Passkeys are effective methods of authentication that can help to keep your accounts more secure. However, they have some key differences. MFA is a way to add an extra layer of security to your online accounts. It works by requiring you to provide 2 or more factors of authentication when you log in. This typically involves entering your password and then providing a code from your phone or other device. Passkeys are a newer, more secure way to log in to online accounts. They are stored on your device and can only be used with your biometric authentication, such as Face ID or Touch ID or a PIN. This means you don't need to remember a password or enter a code from your phone. So, which one should you use? If possible, you should use Passkeys. They are more secure and convenient than passwords. However, not all services support Passkeys yet. If a service doesn't support Passkeys, you should use MFA instead. Here's an analogy to help you understand. Imagine you're trying to enter a bank vault. You have a key, but you also need to provide a fingerprint scan to open the door. This is like MFA. You have 2 factors of authentication, the key and your fingerprint. Now imagine that you have a special bracelet that the bank gives you. You can use the bracelet to open the door to the vault without needing a key or a fingerprint scan. This is like a passkey. It is a single factor of authentication that is more secure and convenient than traditional methods. Do you need both? No, you do not need to use both MFA and Passkeys. If you are using a service that supports Passkeys, you can use Passkeys instead of MFA. However, if you are using a service that does not support Passkeys, you should use MFA to add an extra layer of security to your account. Passkeys are available from a variety of sources, including Apple, Google, Microsoft, Authy, 1Password, Dashlane, Yubico. The list grows daily. To set up MFA, you will need to create an MFA account with a service such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Once you have created an MFA account, you will need to link it to the accounts that you want to protect with MFA. To link your MFA account to a service, you will typically need to scan a QR code or enter a secret key. Once you have linked your MFA account to a service, you will need to enter your MFA code whenever you log into that service. To set up Passkeys, you will need to use a device that supports Passkeys. Currently, Passkeys are supported on a limited number of devices, such as the iPhone, iPad, Mac, Windows computers, and Android phones and tablets. To set up a passkey, you will typically need to visit the website of the service that you want to protect with a passkey. Once you are on the website, you will need to follow the instructions to create a passkey. Once you have created a passkey, you will be able to use it to log into the service on any device that supports passkeys. You will not need to enter your password or use MFA to log in. Stay safe, stay secure. Use your passkey to make that happen. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.